Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the last video part 1, we set up the basics. We logged into the server via SSH, installed Apache, MySQL Database, PHP and PHP to manage the database easily. So in today's video part 2, we will go a step further. We will install Composer. The main purpose of the Composer is to manage PHP dependencies, install Git that pull code from the repositories, then clone a PHP Laravel project, and then configure the virtual host, and finally install a free SSL certificate. This is the document that I have created for your help. So I am following this document. So I understand how they work. I will also share the document link in the video description so you can easily access it for your guidance. So let's get started. Install Composer. If you want to watch the previous points, so you can watch our uh, part 1 video. This is the part 2, and in this video we will start from Composer. How download and install the Composer. These these are the commands that we will use to download and install the Composer. First of all, run this command. Purpose of this command to move you on your root directory. I am already on root directory, so no need to run this. If I am suppose in var directory, then you write this command and you can see again you are in root directory. The next command is curl command. By using this command you can download the Composer. Hash command that provide the security encryption key. With the help of echo $hash, you can see the key, encrypted key. After that, this command is used to install the Composer globally. If you want to verify your Composer install or not install, just run Composer space -v. Here you can see the Composer version. It means Composer has been installed successfully. So the next command is to install Git. The simple command, you will write sudo apt install git. With the help of this command you can install Git. So the next command is project setup. The next point is, first go to this directory, HTML directory, then copy this clone link. You can get this link from your uh, GitHub, GitLab or Bitbucket, anywhere. You can copy this link and paste here. Remove -r. The error is this directory already exists in this path. So I will remove this directory, and again I will clone. It required password, so I will give the password here. You can see clone has been done successfully. Now the next command is git fetch, press enter, cd, go inside the project directory, write here git fetch. The purpose of git fetch, to fetch all the latest branches from your repository. After that, let me check right now which branch is checked out right now. Git we are in Git branch, we are in production right now. No worry, this is just a sample project. Okay, after that I will create the .env file. In this env file, you can put your application credentials that you will use, your database connection, username, root name, your payment gateway credentials, your Google Captcha credentials, whatever you will use. You can mention these keys into the env file and fetch globally. So write this command sudo nano.env, copy and paste here. Just I already set all these credentials here. Control O, press enter to save the file and Control X to exit. Run Composer install. The purpose of this command to install all project dependencies that listed in the composer.json file. Now, no need this. Run sudo chmod 777.env. The purpose of this command to give full permission to .env file so Laravel can read it. Key generate. This command generate the application encryption key. If you have, I already set up the database. You just copy and paste, same like that db.seed. This will provide you, if you have seeder, then you can run this command. If you have any passport token APIs, if you created the APIs in your application, then you will run this command to install the passport token, because I'm using the passport token. So the next command is composer dump autoload. The composer dump autoload command refresh the composer's classes loader. After that, clear the config cache. PHP artisan config cache, but I will run one command optimize clear that will clear all the cache in our application. Run sudo chmod -r 777 storage, and these two commands, storage and bootstrap cache, these two commands has rewrite access to storage and cache folders. After that, I will run sudo a2 in enmod rewrite. That command enable Apache's mod rewrite module so Laravel route will work. The command is this. Our project has been set up successfully. The next step is create virtual host. Create a new virtual host config. Give ownership of project file to your user. Create a new virtual host config file here by using this command. Copy this code and paste here. Just Control O and enter to save the file and Control X to exit. Run this command. Open the Apache conf file and change. That is correct. Control X. Now restart the Apache server. Now you can okay, I got the issue. Uh, Here was the directory name issue. In the document root name var www html yf academy. Here is yf academy. Here you can see. I just rewrite and exit. Reload server, and then the app is working now. Okay, now the last step is SSL certificate. These are the few steps here. If snap not installed, first of all I will update all the packages in our server. After that I snapped has been installed. After that I will run these commands one by one. This is free SSL. You need to renew this certificate after each 30 days. You will get notification. If you will not update the certificate, then the SSL certificate will remove automatically. Enter your email address where you will get the notification. I will write I will write my email. Yes. Yes. Press 1. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled the HTTPS with this domain. Okay. Select one. Keep the existing certificate for. I just press 1 to keep the existing certificate for now. And the last step is this is the dry run command. That command will check the certificate has been installed successfully. Your application with HTTPS. Here you can. The SSL certificate has been the simplest way to deploy your PHP or Laravel application on your server without Docker. But with the passage of time, we will cover how you can deploy your project on server with the Docker in our next videos. And if you have any question, please ping me here. This is the part 2 of our PHP server environment setup. In this video, we installed Composer clone our Laravel project using Git, set it up with all dependencies, configure virtual host, and secured it with free SSL. In the next part, we will continue with advanced deployment practices with the help of Docker, Kubernetes. First of all, we will start from the Docker and domain pointing and performance optimizing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the next part. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much. Bye bye.